Hi everyone, in front of me I've got SharkPad 7 Pro, and let me share with you how to check the serial number of this device. So let's begin with opening the dialer, and here let's enter the code *#06#. And as you can see, and by this code we're provided with the serial number, it's at the very bottom of this pop-out window. So tap on OK, and now another way through the settings. So let's open the settings. Here in this left section we need to scroll all the way down to find About Tablet. And here let's scroll down and find More. Then let's scroll down and localize the model and tap on it. And as you can see here, we've got the serial number of this device. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.